Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Reverso context app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on conjugation here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you come here to search for a verb here, and here can you search for a verb in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you accurate. So that's all. So just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.